You won't listen to the Irish farmers here, and this government is supporting that. You drove from Galway in your state car back to Dublin. When people in Roscommon, in Lough Fuinchina, 92-year-old, 87-year-old, had their houses been flooded, are looking at water higher than their kitchens, and ye have not signed an emergency order to help those people that has been given to the farming community right around this country. And I cannot and will not support a government that is decimating parts of rural Ireland. The best thing, or the thing that ye have done most in rural Ireland, is cause protest with basically not talking, not listening, not giving the services to the people that require it in rural Ireland.